Let's see how we can block a YouTube channel on our mobile device. Welcome to another video, everyone. Have you ever come across a YouTube channel that you'd rather not see again? Well, let's learn how to fix that. Open the YouTube mobile application on your iPhone or Android device. Once you're here, if you want to hide a particular video from your home page or from the recommended section, you'll want to tap on the three dots and this menu will appear with a couple of different options. You want to mark the video as not interested, and as soon as you do that, the video will be hidden and YouTube will show you less content like this in the future. If you're tired of videos from a particular channel and you want to hide all of them, then tap on the three dots one more time and then select the Don't Recommend Channel option. That's gonna hide the videos from that specific channel and YouTube won't show you their videos anymore. But if you don't want a channel leaving comments on your videos and similar stuff, you can open their YouTube channel page, then we'll tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. And just select an option called Hide User from My Channel. That is going to hide existing and future comments from this user on your channel. So just hide the user and that is how we can block them on YouTube. Keep in mind that YouTube doesn't give us a classic block option like we have on Instagram, Facebook, and other platforms. The user will still be able to open our channel and view our videos, but they cannot comment and other stuff. You won't see their channel and their videos if you hide them and use these steps. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.